All of the recording tech in Dubb has teleprompters. So if you want to click in here, click on at the top, you can go right to scripting to create a script or copy and paste. You can search for a script that you have in here, or you can type in the name of the script that you have saved in the platform, and it will show up just like this. Now, this is the speed right here. So speed here, you can go up or down. Play button if you want to test the speed to see if you like it. You can back the text to smaller, back the text to bigger. In terms of the pacing, it's really kind of your natural energy that you speak with to kind of match it. If it's a topic that's more exciting, you're probably going to move the pace a little quicker. If it's a little more serious, maybe you're dropping it down a little slower. It just takes a little bit of practice to read out loud and get used to doing it. But it's very efficient if you haven't used them before. We use a lot of them for our YouTube content and other videos we do, especially when we want to hit specific points, that you don't have time to memorize all the time, and you can have them right in front of you. In terms of the distance, arm's distance away is pretty good. Probably, let the words flow up into your eye line at the top. And then when I hit record here, here's going to kind of be the combination of everything. So I'll hit record, I'll get my 3, 2, 1, and it'll be like this. Hey, John, this is Rob from Dubb. We are the sales operating system. We use video, automation, and contact management to create connections, those conversations, and those conversions. And I can hit the pause button right down here, stop the recording, click it again, and then keep going. And then I can hit the delete button. It'll always ask you, are you sure you want to do this? We added that I think about a couple years ago because, it's a nice button to add just in case you accidentally hit it. And then if you want to save it into Dubb, it's the blue check mark. This one's a little bit different than the one you saw before. It's similar in the fact that you can do the speeds like this, and you can back the text off, but it's different in the fact that it's detached. You can move this wherever you want to. You also can manipulate the sides a little bit like this. I'm obviously going to put it closest to my camera at the top. The thing to remember about the teleprompter, especially with the Chrome extension, is because the Chrome is browser based, if you go full screen in the browser, it hides the teleprompter. I can't get to it to use it. So you want to leave a little bit of space so when you hit record, you can tap this thing and bring it forward and you're able to use it. And then the desktop app teleprompter is different as well. Similar in the fact that it moves around like the Chrome, but different in the fact in this regard. So when you find the script that you want, like here, the first option you're going to see right up here is auto track. That means voice recognition. So if I was going to hit record and read this script, it would go at my pace, at my speed, and it would move when I'm going to speak. If I stop speaking, it's going to stop moving. It's a nice option to have if you've ever done voice recognition teleprompting before. If you want the scroll though, like you saw with the other two, with the webcam and the Chrome, all you have to do is click this button once, it turns it off, and now you can go right back to scrolling. So if you prefer scroll, choose your speed, let it go. So it depends on really what you want, but you have that option with the desktop app. Then you also have a teleprompter right here. So teleprompter, just like we looked before, you're going to click into the top, then you're going to find the script that you want. And once you find the script that you want, you're going to choose it. Let's see, let's go. Which one do I want? Maybe this one here. And then you're going to choose your speed like we did before. You can hit the play button, test your speed. You can click the pencil icon right here, and then you can make any changes that you want. If you're finding that your eyes are not staying at the top where they're supposed to be, and they're kind of going down here, I would move up your guardrails like this, just slide the whole thing up. That way your eyes are not looking down here. They got to stay right there at the top where they're supposed to be. So you have that ability to do that. You also have a gear icon, which is going to give you auto track, just like the desktop app. So when I hit record here, it's voice recognition like this. Hi, it's Rob from Dubb, the video and AI sales platform. I saw that you signed up for a free trial, and then I can get into it like that. So you can either do voice recognition or auto scroll, whatever one you want.